Sanibonani masodla mahle. Silana Siteki and ngimena nokwanda Shengelfa. Nokwanda Shengelfa. We sitting on 7 moving. We're trying out these colognes and rating them out of 10. Okay, we're gonna start with the Manzini one. Okay. Let me spray it on you.
Smells misty.
Sounds musty, nah?
Yeah.
Out of 10, what do you give it?
7.
7. How much do you think it is?
250.
250.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me spray this one.
Okay,
Let me spray this one. This is the Big Bend one.
It's too girly.
It's girly, it's sweet.
Yeah, it's sweet. Sorry.
But the Big Bend sugar cane fit you
makes
see
sense.
why it's sweet.
Makes sense.
Out of 10?
An 8.
An 8.
Yeah.
How much do you think it is?
Oh, this one should be expensive. 300.
300.
Yeah.
They're actually 180 malengeni at the Ikleri
You
Store.
joke.
I'm serious.
Oh, that's nice.
At the Ikleri Store, yeah. You definitely get them. They buy Color Eswatini and they do deliveries around.
Around.
Yeah.
So where do we find you if not at the shop?
Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, X. What am I
Color
forgetting?
Eswatini.
Color Eswatini.
Definitely follow. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Mr. Lamash, thank you for your time. Miss
Shengetwa.
Shengetwa, thank you for your time.
You're welcome.
Spaghetti.